Hi everyone, this is Cherie from 12 by 12 Cardstock Shop. I'm just stopping by to share a quick tip on how I ink smaller pieces when the finger dauber is too big. This color is Sandable Meadow by Coordinations, and I'm using Catherine Pooler's Eucalyptus to do my inking. I work on a glass surface because I have better control of how much ink is applied. I know that sometimes when we ink it'll bleed too much, so that's why I use a pom-pom, which is 5mm, and a glass surface to do my inking, because it has controlled distribution of the ink. That way it doesn't end up saturated or bleeding in certain areas and not in others. And I just pull a little bit off the glass as I go. And this is just something I found is easier for me. That way I have pieces where the ink is even. It's not darker, bleeding into the paper in some areas and not in others. And I just find that pulling it off of the glass makes it where you can build it up on areas that it's not even with others. And this is just my technique. Everybody uses different techniques. This is just what I found works for me. I love the choice of paper colors though. I have so many shades of green, and I order my paper from 12 by 12 Cardstock just because our Joann's here does not have a large quantity and selection. I live in California, but there's only one Joann's by me, and I know that they have the sale, but it just doesn't ever have good accommodations for me because the colors that they do have, I have an overabundance of. And 12 by 12 Cardstock Shop, I'm able to buy 1 sheet or 25 sheets of several colors, but I just found that I have more options on 12 by 12 Cardstock Shop. So here's the finished piece. For the most part, I'm going to go in and touch it up after I'm done. But I just wanted to show that this is going to be hidden by the flower that's going to go on. But just how even the ink is versus using a dauber, there's no way to get it in there without bending the paper, and I don't want the paper bent. But thanks for watching. I have more videos on my page, Paper Pieces and Leftovers on YouTube and Facebook. Take care.